Yes, good morning, dear students. So, because of in our area, the COVID cases is increasing day by day. So that's why our institution management taken decisions regarding that conducting online classes few days. That's why we will start online classes. I think all the chapters we have to cover except marketing. So today we have to discuss about this marketing chapters. Yes, in the last class given us an introduction about that market andre ಏನು marketing ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So here we will directly discuss about that marketing. Here before that marketing we will understand that first market. Here the market is then a place. It is a place where exchanging of goods and services between two persons with value, with certain of value. So that is called a market. Here the two ways we have to define traditional way, in that modern way we will say the meaning of market. In that traditional sense, in the traditional way, what is the marketing? So in the traditional way, market, not marketing. What is market in the tradition? In the traditional way sense, market refers to the place where buyers and sellers gather to enter the transaction involving the exchanging of goods and services is called as market. In traditional sense, market means it is a place where buyers and sellers are gathered together for the purpose of transacting, buying and selling of goods and services, or exchanging of goods and services is called as market in the way of tradition. In the way of modern, what is market? In the way of modern sense also I have to say the meaning. The modern marketing sense, the term market means it refers to the set of actual and potential buyers of a particular product and services. In the modern sense, market means it is refers to the set of actual performance. It is a set of actual and potential buyers of product and services. It is a set of actual and potential buyers of product and services is called as market in the modern sense, in the way of modern sense. So this is the but maybe what is market? Market is a place where buyer and sellers are gathered and transact buying and selling of goods and services. Enough. Other market is a place where buying and selling of goods and services, where perform the activities regarding buying and selling is called as market. Next year we will understand that marketing, the term important, marketing. The marketing chapters we will understand the meaning. So meaning of marketing important for 2 months. 2 months. Okay. Here important. What is marketing? Here the marketing, it's so marketing means here the marketing is a process whereby people exchange goods and services for money or something value to them is called as marketing. Marketing is a process whereby people exchange goods and services. Marketing is a process whereby people exchange goods and services for money or for something of value to them, to the customers, to the sellers. We call it as marketing. Marketing, it is a process of whereby people exchange of goods and services for money and for the value, something value of to them is called as marketing. Understand? Yes. Next here, after knowing that meaning of marketing, as a director discuss the meaning important note. Next, after that, after the knowing of meaning of marketing, next we have to discuss definition. Here one definition is there. 2 marks define marketing. Here the definition given by Philip Kotler. Philip Kotler is the greatest marketist. Marketer. Philip Kotler is defined about marketing. What does it mean? market according to Philip Kotler defined marketing, which means market a social process by which individual group obtain what they need and want through creating offerings and freely exchanging products and services for value of the others. It's called as marketing. Philip Kotler define ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಎ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ which individuals groups obtain what they need for example we are ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಂಡಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ತರಕಾರಿ ಬೇಕು we want to need vegetables we will obtain need and want through creating offering go on market and buy otherwise who are walking sellers in front of our home ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಟೊಮೊಟೊ ಬದನೆಕಾಯಿ ಮೆಣಸಿನ್ಕಾಯಿ ಅಂತ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಲ್ಲ we will offering come here offerings and then freely exchanging products. Freely means without money, not without money, without irritation, without any restrictions. We have to discuss how much kg this is, how much kg kadme madka illa astal istu discuss exchanging the products and services of value ist kodtini totally value is there. So this is called market according to the Philip Kotler definitions. Next after that features are there, certain features are there. 4 marks important or 4 marks features of marketing. There are 4 features are there, which are the needs and wants, creating market offering, customers value, exchange mechanism. So these are all the 4 important features of marketing. Now I want to discuss one by one. First one is needs and wants. Yes, here needs and wants, it is one of the main important. Yes, here the needs and want mainly focusing of marketing process on the satisfactions of needs and want of individual and organizations. So needs and wants here, it is the marketing is mainly focusing to the peoples or the groups or the individuals, what they need, what they require, what they want. I want early morning milk, we will offering in the milk shop. ಡೈರಿ ನಂದಿನಿ ಡೈರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬೈ ದಟ್. ತರಕಾರಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಥಿಯೇಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ, ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಎಂಟರ್ ಟು ದಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಎಸ್, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಫುಲ್ಫಿಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫೋಕಸಿಂಗ್ ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್, ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ವಾಂಟ್, ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ನೀಡ್, ದ ಪೀಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್, ದಟ್ ಫುಲ್ಫಿಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ನೀಡ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಂಟ್ಸ್ನಿಂದ ಫುಲ್ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ. Doesn't have it, doesn't nobody is there in that marketing, how can you fulfill? If we have, with that customers also required, that time we will fulfill. ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ನೀರು ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಬೇಕು, ಬಿಸ್ಲರಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಬೇಕು, ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮನಿ, nobody can is there, nobody doesn't have any one single shop, how it is fulfilled? Doesn't. If we have the ಶಾಪಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ಬಾಟ್ಲ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋ ಬಿಸ್ಲರಿ ವಾಟರ್, when we have to have that, we will pay money and buy drink. Need, required, finish. Next, creating market offering. Yes, here the marketing is creating a market offering. Yes, here on the part of the marketers, the effort involves creation of market offering. Here the create of market offering. Here marketers, who are the marketers? Here sellers are the marketers. To them create a marketing offer. How? Whatever the product they are manufactured, sold to that products to the customers, we must record one place. It is called market. The market is offering. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಹೊಲದಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊತ್ತಂಬರಿ ಸೊಪ್ಪು, ಮೆಣಸಿನ್ಕಾಯಿ, ಬದನೆಕಾಯಿ, ಟೊಮೊಟೊ ಬೆಳೆದಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸೇಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಟು ದ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್. ಸೀದಾ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂತೀರ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಯಾಕೆ? ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರೋದು ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು. Doesn't go cinema theatre, in front of the cinema theatre, in front of the college, in front of the schools. We will enter directly market because have the platform to sell the goods and services, whatever the manufacture. So that's why it is creating a offering, market offering. Yes. Next one is customer value. The marketing is the process of marketing facilitate exchanging of the products and services between the buyers and sellers In that, here with the value, here customer value. Here the market value are to exchanging the goods and services between two persons. With that exchanging the goods and services, with have certain values. Doesn't values, without value, doesn't exchanging the goods and services. When not exchanging without value, it is free. It is not market activities. ಅದು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಮಾರುಕಟ್ಟೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಫ್ರೀಯಾಗಿ ಕೊಡೋದಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಯು ಆರ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಪೇಯ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬೈ ದ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. ಪರ್ ಕೆ ಜಿ ಟೊಮೊಟೊ 100 rupees, nowadays 30 rupees, 20 rupees. It is the price, customer price. Customer pay ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, after that buy the product. This is the marketing is creating a totally customers value. Next, exchange mechanism. Exchange mechanism, barter system exchange. Give one, you receive another. That is here the marketing is one of the mechanism exchanging that between buyers and seller. Buy a product and give money to the sellers, like that. Here the marketing, the process marketing works through the exchanging mechanism. The individuals, means buyers and sellers, obtain they need and want through the process of exchange. Here what they want, we are the customers, we want required vegetables, pay money and receive vegetables. Exchanging between two persons, exchange ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ವಿನಿಮಯ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, between two persons. So this is that. So this is the informations regarding that meaning of marketing, definition of marketing and features of marketing. In this video we are mainly focusing on what is marketing, definition of marketing, features of marketing. So next remaining concept we will discuss in the next class. Thank you very much.